Hey guys, it's Connie here from the Daily Life of Creativity. Thank you so much for stopping by. And today I am doing an unboxing for a cherry on top for my design team. Little goodies that I have recently requested, and I have been waiting for this for a while because this was very, I guess you guys all wanted all these things. And I just wanted to show you what I've received in the box. I have so many ideas and so many projects I want to create. So make sure you're following me on Instagram. Sometimes when I'm not creating videos here on YouTube, I mostly all the time share on Instagram on my projects for everything that I'm creating. And then sometimes you guys request videos for YouTube, so it's just that I need to get used to creating more YouTube videos. And also since I work full time, sometimes I need more time. So let's get started here. Okay, so the first thing, I got a lot of things, but I wanted to mainly show you guys some of the tape that I recently requested. Here is a cherry tape. I didn't know that a cherry on top had tape. So if you also are unaware of this, they have half and they're 60 yards, which is pretty much a lot of tape. And I go through these really quickly because I'm always crafting. I also got a quarter of an inch and let me see. Yes, quarter of an inch, so half of an inch and 1 inch because I love to make mini albums, so this will come in very handy. So if you have not checked this out, purchase the cherry tape and I will tell you guys how it works. I'm sure it works perfectly fine. I have about 3 collections in this box, just a little bit sprinkled here and there. The first one is reasons to smile. These are some charms, but I realized that I still need to get the tool for this, so I will be buying that. And then so I can use all these little cute charms that I have just recently received. I had to get the new collection by Paige Evans for Halloween. This is the first time she has done a Halloween collection. Of course, I had to get it, and I just love Halloween. These are the page protectors. They come with 24, and of course, I had to purchase the album, and I'm sure I will be doing more than the pages that are in here because I love a chunky album filled with different type of pages. So you will see what I do with this one. I'm sure I will also, if I don't have the process, at least I will show you what I did. Okay. I was very like in awe about this embroidery kit with all the, it comes with embroidery thread for you to go and the needle, and it comes with all those little pieces for you to put together. And it's from the Trick and Treats collection. I will of course link everything down below where you can get all the collections. I had to get the sticker sheet because I just love stickers. And I love everything about this collection. I love that it has that metallic look and just the colors of the pinks and the oranges. I think she did amazing, guys. And I'm just in love with this collection. I also got some enamel dots. 60 pieces come in this. Some stars and little circle dots. The embellishments comes with 4 little pieces. This is like a little sequin mix, and here are other pieces here like a ribbon, and this one is like stitch, which is beautiful. I love everything stitching. And this is an ephemera piece. It comes with 70 pieces, and this is everything that is inside there. And of course, if you would like to take a closer look at everything, feel free to stop at the shop Cherry on Top to check everything out. These are the 60 Puffet stickers, and I love this. These are for like smaller embellishments when you create little clusters on your page, layouts, mini albums. Those are perfect. I also got the 75 ephemera pieces. I think this is all mostly, well, this is gorgeous. This is different from this one. Let's just check it out. Yeah, it's different from this one. So this one has more like frames and journaling cards. This one is more like florals and different icons and moths and houses, and it's just so pretty. I just love this collection. I also had the puffy phrases. You can create so many titles out of this. For the, I'm not sure if I'm gonna go in order, but I was just showing you as I go. I also got the chipboard pieces from the Simple Stories Cyber and Donuts collection. This one it's amazing for the fall season. I got the foam stickers, which are great for titles. Also comes with little embellishment here. You guys know I love simple stories. And I also did the bits, big bits. These are perfect for if you're creating a larger layout, a mini album. I have done a mini album just with embellishments from this. I had to get the chipboard frames. They're just beautiful. You can create also a mini album just using chipboard frames. Or if you want to create 6 pages, 7 pages just using the chipboard frames, this is also really good because they come with titles. You just have to focus on creating little embellishments around this. This is the cider and donuts bits and pieces, and it comes with all of this. Ooh, let it focus. There you go, guys. And then I had to get the glitter enamel dots. I just love the sheen, the little glitter pieces in them, and the sticker book because the sticker book is filled with so many things. You can do so much with them. Continue with the reason to smile. I of course had to get the little stickers. It comes with 417 pieces in here. I mean, oh, you can do so much with this. I just love the variety of embellishments and the glitter. I also got the puffy stickers. Comes with 78 pieces. Great for little clusters and little embellishments. The 6x8 paper pad, which is amazing. This collection is so happy, so beautiful, so festive, and it just makes me so happy when I look at it. I got the tags and pockets. These are so good. These are great if you're making a mini album. I love making mini albums, so I just automatically go to mini albums. If you want to create pockets in your mini album, you can use this. Also, if you want to hide journaling behind your layouts and you don't want your handwriting to show, these are also great to use on your 12 by 12 layouts and have things like that. Okay, so this is the ephemera pieces, little tags. I love tags, so many more. I also got the enamel stickers from this, and another ephemera piece, and the 12 by 6 sticker sheet. Okay, so these are just embellishments that I just been waiting to get all together at once, and I am so happy. I also got a bunch of the Minkies, Premier Minkies. I am not sure if that's the way you say it. I just think these are so cute to create a little banner or a little stencils on your, well, is stencils the word? Maybe just like little, I will show you guys when I make them because I am not sure what they're called. But I have the idea in my head, and I just love how this one has like different colors. So those are for the Minkies. And then for the glue, I also got this glue here. It is 3-in-1. I have been wanted to try this one, so I'm really excited for this one. I see people using it on mini albums, pretty much everything that they create. So I will let you guys know how this works. And then for the rest of everything that I got, they're just 12 by 12 papers. And the acetate, or let me see here. I'm just getting these things out of the way. And then everything here is either simple stories or page Evan or Shimel. That's how you pronounce Reasons to Smile. And these are just larger papers, just a few papers, not everything from the collection. Things like I just think that I feel like this can pass for fall also. Look at the colors. You can definitely use this for fall, even though it's like, oh, it's just so pretty. And then look at all this. This is so pretty. I don't even have words. Look at this. You can create a layout with cooking or, yes, cooking or baking. It's just so beautiful. I'm in love with this collection. I think she did an amazing, amazing job. And this is the other side of the papers. For this one here, let me see here. Oh, this is the sticker sheet from Cider and Donuts, which I love. I don't have to get into details. And here are just a few pages that I got that I just absolutely love. Love the busy patterns of the paper. Oh, this is from Paige Evans. This is really pretty, guys. Look at that. This also looks like fall. You don't have to use it for Halloween projects. Look at all the beautiful fall colors coming out of it. So you have definitely you have options to do this. If you want to go ahead and cut this out, add some stitching. I think I have seen someone done that before. Do that before with all the like a little banner. And this is the other side that can definitely also be used for fall, not necessarily Halloween. And these are the other papers that I got. So, oh, and I love tags, so I had to get this paper here. And I love that the other side is this, but then I am thinking I always have a problem when I love both sides of the paper to see which one I would use the most. I love both of them, so I don't know. All right, so this one has like little bats and ghosts and kitties and skulls with little spiders. On the background is orange with this background here. So which side would you use? This one or this one? That's the reason why I always have to get 2 or 3 or 4 papers because I'm never sure, especially if I love both of them. Like, look at that. That's gorgeous. Okay, and then this one here with the moths and the kitties and the skulls and the spider webs and the stripes. All right, guys, and then continuing with the simple stories. I just love this paper. I think I love the floral more than the words because this is just gorgeous. All right, so and then for the vellum, this is acetate. Acetate can also be as an album cover or just shake. I love making shakers with acetate. And let me show you. I think I have one here. Like for this album that I did with Doodlebug, this is one of the acetates here that I use the spider acetate. And you can see here that you can still see the background and all the little shakers that I added. Plus you see all the details. So that's what I love doing with them tags. Stitching them. Yes. So stitching them with my sewing machine and sometimes even creating album covers. I also got the chipboard. I mean, this is not chipboard. This is more like foam. They're no longer chipboard stickers, foam stickers, although I do miss the chipboard. And the cut file by Reasons to Smile. This is beautiful. Creating a beautiful background with different colors and also just layering different embellishments. And I had to get another pack of, well, just one of the 12 by 12 collection kit by Cider and Donuts. All right, guys, so that is it for this haul. This has just been months of me putting everything together in the cart for me to purchase. So I will go ahead and link everything in the description box below. If you would like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me here. And I also recommend for you to follow me on Instagram. I do share a lot on Instagram at Inner Creativity, not in the daily life of creativity. And if you have any questions, let me know. Okay. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by.